Some say the DC2 Integra Type R is the best front-wheel drive car ever made. Everything from its seam-welded, strengthened and lightened chassis to the hand-built B18C5 engine. Every effort was made for this car to be as light and as rigid as possible.
Goth Gang.
And this is my 2000 Acura Integra Type R. I've owned the car now since the summer of 2016. I'm the third owner, and basically, just been enjoying it and tearing it up and driving fast. I mean, the Type R from the ground up is built to be a performance factory race car from the ground up. And anyone that knows Honda performance knows anything from the factory Honda is going to be quality as well as reliable. Not only that, it's going to be extremely fun and performance. Since I've got the car, we've basically just gone through and cleaned everything up. It already came with the Japanese front-end conversion. So all we basically did was, obviously repainted. It's got the on-car roll bar. We got the next American crossbar, new tires. Just basically trying to keep it mostly OEM, not get too crazy from the aftermarket. I want to stay true to how Honda really designed the car from the factory, because I mean, it's great already from the factory. There's not really much else you got to do to it versus adding a baffle, tuning, lightning, and you're pretty much ready to go. I fell in love with the Integra Type R. Because, I mean, it's just an amazing car. They've improved upon the GSR platform and made it even better. I drive a 95 Civic Coupe as my daily driver, so it was kind of only natural for me, once I saw this car, to want to transition to something a little better, a little bigger, a little more beefier, something that can handle the road a little better. I mean, the Civic's fun, but driving a Civic to a Type R, there really is no comparison. I mean, people can say it all day long, but there really is not. The future plans for the car, I probably plan on going turbo for the 2019 season. As much as funds will allow, of course, because things are really expensive. But yeah, just build it and race it, blow it up, do it again. Not everyone's gonna have the same vision that you do, when you're building the car, Just because their vision of what the perfect car might look like might differ from yours doesn't necessarily mean they are right or wrong. It's just everyone has a different vision, And that's one thing we should do probably more in the car community is help one another, educate one another, be friends with one another. Don't bash on someone because it's different from what you would do,